Today, I'm taking a deep dive into Trality, a powerful crypto trading bot that allows users to automate trades through algorithmic strategies. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, Trality offers a variety of tools designed to optimize and execute trades efficiently. Upon logging into Trality, the clean and intuitive dashboard immediately stands out. The platform is divided into different sections, including the rule builder, the code editor, backtesting tools, and live trading options. The rule builder is an excellent choice for those who want to automate trading without coding. It allows users to create strategies using a drag-and-drop interface, making it beginner-friendly while still offering customization. For more advanced traders, the Python-based code editor provides complete flexibility to create and refine trading algorithms. This feature is perfect for users who prefer writing custom scripts and implementing sophisticated strategies. Trality also provides a range of pre-built templates, making it easier to start without building everything from scratch. Backtesting is an essential part of any trading strategy, and Trality offers a robust simulation tool. With historical data from major exchanges, users can test their strategies before deploying them in live markets. The results include performance metrics like profit, loss, and trade frequency, allowing users to refine their bots for better results. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking at the video. Moving on to live trading, Trality integrates seamlessly with top exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and Bitpanda. Connecting an API key is straightforward, ensuring a secure link between your bot and the exchange. Security is a major concern in crypto trading, and Trality addresses this by keeping all bots in the cloud without direct access to users' funds, adding an extra layer of protection. Pricing is another important factor, and Trality offers a free plan for those who want to test the platform before committing. The premium plans provide access to higher trading volumes, advanced strategy customization, and priority support. Compared to other trading bots on the market, Trality provides a competitive balance of affordability and features. One of the standout aspects of Trality is its community and educational resources. The platform offers a knowledge base, tutorials, and community forums where users can discuss strategies and troubleshoot issues. This makes it a great choice for those who want to continuously learn and refine their trading skills. After using Trality extensively, the platform proves to be a strong option for traders looking to automate their strategies. The rule builder simplifies automation for beginners, while the code editor offers advanced users the flexibility to implement complex algorithms. Backtesting tools provide valuable insights before deploying strategies in live trading, and security measures ensure peace of mind. Overall, Trality is a solid choice for anyone looking to automate crypto trading, whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader. If you're interested in algorithmic trading or want to explore passive income opportunities through automation, Trality is worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on trading tools and crypto platforms. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates.